Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Salesman. We've got another fresh fall trade for you. This one, a 2021 Wildwood 31KQBTS. All kinds of letters and numbers, but what you need to know is that this is a beautiful family camper. It's got 3 slides, 2 in the bunkhouse, 1 in the main social space, so you've got all kinds of room on the inside. A couple of features on the outside. You've got a rear mounted bumper. Barbecue so that you can get yourself outdoors and cooking. You've got an outdoor kitchen here, so you've got a plumbed in sink. You've got a nice size, that's a 48, we call it, size fridge. Little storage over here. You got a spot for a TV. You got a GFI plug in there as well, so some storage and room to get your entertainment set up on the outside. If you want to watch the game outside, you're able to do that. Good size power awning on this unit as well. Got a couple outdoor speakers on here. So you can have your party right outside, step above steps, makes it nice and stable getting in and out of the unit. And again, this one is a 2021 31KQBTS, coming in at just a little over 8,000 pounds. So nice and towable, but a good size unit at that. So you've got a nice big super slide on the other side here. You've got a U-shaped dinette, and you've got a fold down couch. So a little extra sleeping space. You can move this partition right here to the other side and create yourself a little U-shaped couch if that's what you're into. Gives you that option to change around your social space. Storage underneath the sofa as well. Great entertainment center. You've got a Furion power bar in here for your sound system. Storage on either side and a Greystone electric fireplace. Spot for a good sized TV here right above as well. Peninsula kitchen, high-rise matte black faucet with a dual chamber sink. Condition of the kitchen countertops, everything in great shape here. Good storage here. Nice little applique finish there to the front of the glass panels. Vented microwave over top of the Greystone oven and vent system. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with a oven underneath. Good storage here underneath the Peninsula kitchen as well. And you're able to use all that counter space for when you do your prep work. Good size fridge in this one. Average chill fridge freezer split. That is a 12 volt. So nice big interior space in that one. Heading towards the back of the camper, you've got the side. Use it for pantry space, use it for linens, that sort of thing. But some extra storage for sure. You've got a nice big double wide shower with a skylight. Everything in great shape in here. Foot flush toilet. Nice little spot there for some storage. Good size sink, little counter storage. And a nice backsplash behind the medicine cabinet. We'll head to the front of the camper and take a look at the bedroom. Main bedroom is a side door here, just off to the side of the main entrance. So you've got wardrobe on either side, little overhead storage, little cubby holes on either side to keep a few things at the bedside table, whatever you want. Speaking of which, if you want to have a little extra storage, nice little spot here with some baskets underneath the bed, so there's some storage, keep everything that you want near the bed, nice and handy and nice and easy to get to. And you still do have, of course, the pass-through storage in the front that has access from the cargo bays on the outside. And room for a TV in here as well. There's a bracket still left behind from the previous owners. As we head towards the back of the camper, my favorite thing, this is a family camper, so you're going to have a double wide bunkhouse, slides on either side, swing arm TV bracket there as you see as you come in. So some versatility there in terms of storage and entertainment. Keep the kids happy back here with that double wide slide. All kinds of floor space. There is a bunk folded up underneath there. You've got the top bunk here as well with a nice teddy bear finish on the mattress. And you've got another over here, fold-out couch. And then up here you've got another bunk that'll pop down. Let's give that a little slip. Down it comes. And then you've got another bunk area right there. So room to sleep. Realistically, 4 or 5 kids back here. Plus, if you want to get really funky, you could put some mattresses or sleeping bags right on the floor. So this has been a look at the 2021 Wildwood 31KQBTS. Beautiful new trade in here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis. Get yourself into something big and beautiful just in time for the end of camping season. You still got another month or so left of great fall camping if you're towing and moving around. A lot of our seasonal campgrounds are open right through till Thanksgiving. And if you want to get ahead of the game, make sure you're set up and ready to camp for spring of next year. And do your trade now, folks. Get yourself in here, get your trade in, get yourself into something new, get it set up on the campground so that you can beat the rush next spring. This is Jason Perkins signing off for Leisure Time Sales. Come on in and see us here, folks. Quispam, Sis, or our Moncton location is pleased to serve you as well. All kinds of great options for fall camping.